Ito may video. So, magre-react tayo ng mga video kasi yung part 2, hindi ko na nagawa nung mag-react tayo ng photo kasi wala po yung wifi nila mami, nagpupula po. So, tara, let's go to our next video. Sa ating pagre-react na video ha. Let's react. React lang tayo ng react ha. Okay, let's go. First topic.
You are my only lover, friend.
Oy guys, napakaganda ng video mo, di ba? Okay, next ano naman tayo guys, next topic. So tara, let's go. Ito naman.
พอเธอมาก่อนเธอทำให้ฉันหลงเลยลืมทางออกแค่อยากจะบอกเธอทำหัวใจของผมละลายละลายมองเธอสักเพียงกี่ครั้งก็ยังน่ารักเหมือนเช่น
Parang oo nga. Okay, so ayun muna yung mga videos namin. Kung nagustuhan nyo po, please sure na mag-like and mag-comment sa aking sa Facebook channel. At sana po guys, isubscribe nyo po ako kasi pag nagka 1 million po ako, alam mo na, kung sino mag-comment na palagi kayo nakasubscribe at nakaklit, palagi kayo nakaka-comment sa akin, bibigyan ko ng cellphone kapag nagka 1 million ako at isinama ko sa agency. So, yan guys. So, bye-bye. I-comment nyo ha. Mag-subscribe kayo sa Facebook channel ko na Johnson Rondisora TV and babush. Bye-bye.